Hey everyone, Mcdermott, Manager of Application Engineering with AMAG Technology. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can use AMAG's SR-OSDP technology to convert from Supervised F2F to Secure OSDP. This video is intended for organizations that currently use the older F2F technology and want to migrate to the modern, secure, and open OSDP. Before we begin, let's briefly cover the background on what makes Supervised F2F unique. You see, most reader technologies, whether it be Regan, OSDP, MCLP, have separate wires for each one of their field devices. What makes a Supervised F2F unique is you can wire all that technology at the reader side and then have all that communication back through just two communication wires. So Supervised F2F often will have only 4 conductors going from the field devices out to the panel. This can be very expensive to replace because if you want to migrate to another technology, such as OSDP, traditionally you have to pull all new cable. That is the problem that we are here to solve at AMAG. There's a few different architectures you may see when using Supervised F2F. If the reader itself is not an F2F, like in this case where we have our Sentry readers from AMAG, which support both Regan and OSDP, for the Regan models or readers that are operating in Regan mode, it'll be wired to a device called a SR-WIU. When migrating from F2F to OSDP, we have a new device called an SR-OIU. The migration at the door end is going to be migrating these wires from the SR-WIU to the SR-OIU. You just move each element, the reader, the lock output, the REX, and the door contact to their comparable locations on the SR-OIU. Both the SR-WIU and the SR-OIU have removable terminal blocks. That will make it easier when transferring the wire cables from one to the other. Next is the conversion that is done at the panel. Make sure you power down your panel before you swap out the new boards. Unplug the plugs for the DBU and the reader boards. Your output boards and your input boards and your PCU, they can all remain in place. Place your new SR-OSDP-DBU and your reader boards certain components are pin for pin. Now, with your 2-reader board, there's a chance that it might not be pin for pin. In this case, because there's different input points for whether it had been a direct Regan reader or whether it be F2F, as in this case, where it was an F2F converter. In the case of F2F, you do need to rewire the pins. You need to make some slight changes because of the difference, whereas if it had been a direct Regan input, then it could be pin for pin.
Now let's take a look at how the migration looks in our Symmetry software. First, we open the formerly F2F node from the Install ribbon. Next, we click Discover in the Communications tab to redirect to the new SR-DBU-OSDP. Select it and click OK. Next, select Node Supports OSDP to enable the OSDP configuration and save the changes. Now we open the reader configuration for each reader. Change the reader comms form WGAN to the proper OSDP mode, usually OSDP Secure. Click OK to save. Now open the command center and find the readers. Use the OSDP, allow reader replacement and OSDP. Update reader key to set the OSDP Secure mode.